Hey friends, AI Informer here. While the other players seem to have bailed on releasing their promised models and are just feeding us promises, Google is picking up the slack for everyone. In this review, we'll break down the updated Gemini 2.5 Pro model version 06-5, which has absolutely crushed the LM arena. We'll find out its limits, study the benchmarks, and of course, test it out. First, let's see what Google writes about this model in its article. They explain that they've improved the previous version, taken feedback into account, enhanced the style and structure, and made the model itself more creative. It's already available through AI Studio and Vertex AI and was also supposed to be rolled out in the Gemini app. Now, let's finally take a look at the benchmarks. The first thing that catches your eye is the cost. Compared to giants like GPT-03 and Claude 4 Opus, the price is very good. Human Last Exam. This is the final exam for humanity, a global project with tasks from thousands of experts that are incredibly difficult to solve. Models that score 80 to 90% on other tests suddenly fell flat on their faces here. Only now are they starting to recover. The new Gemini 2.5 Pro scored 21.6% here, snatching away 1% from the previous leader, GPT-03. GPQA Diamond. This benchmark contains 448 questions in chemistry, physics, and biology that are protected from being Googled. To give you an idea of the difficulty, a human expert in the field scores 65% accuracy, while non-experts with internet access only reach 34%. And the model scores 86.4% here, surpassing everyone. It's a truly impressive test. AMIE Mathematics. In the American Math exam for high school students, GPT-04 Mini and other models are still in the lead. Live Code Bench Code Generation. This benchmark is responsible for generating working code from scratch. Here, Gemini 2.5 Pro scores 69%, which is slightly worse than almost all its competitors. Aider Code Editing. The task here is to make edits to existing code in a single pass so that it compiles and passes tests. Previously, leaders reached 79.6%. Now, Gemini 2.5 Pro scores 82.2%. This is a very good result. SWE Bench Code Fixing. When it comes to fixing GitHub repositories, the model performs at an average level, not particularly standing out. Simple QA Fact Checking. Here, the model is asked true or false about thousands of known facts. All models are still far from 100%, but Gemini 2.5's result is better than the rest. Fact Grounding Text-based generation. What's interesting here is that the previous version of the model from May 6th was already leading, and now the version from June 5th takes first place with 87.8%. MLU Multimodality. In image plus text tasks, the result is 82, which is all good. Video Understanding. On the benchmark where the model needs to watch a video and understand what is happening, the result is 83. It's a shame the other models weren't tested. Needle in a Haystack Context Handling. This tests core reference, the model's ability to find needles in a haystack. For example, finding the second mention of the phrase Ami Mizuno is very smart in a 128,000 token text. For models, you know this is a very difficult task. With 128,000 tokens, the result is only 58%, and with 1 million, it's 16%. Global MLU Cultural Context. A test with questions that require regional and cultural knowledge. Here, the model scored 89%, a very impressive result. Google is surprising us again. While other models are just sitting on the sidelines, for example, Elon Musk promised to release Grok 3.5 next week, the month before, but still hasn't. Sam Altman promised to release a GPT-4o Pro in a few weeks, but nothing. Only Google just gets it done, and it's now competing more often with itself than with anyone else. So, what do you think? Has Google managed to definitively pull ahead and take the leader's throne? Or are you still waiting for a crushing response from future competitor models? Write your opinion in the comments. If you liked this breakdown, don't forget to support the channel. Subscribe, hit the like button, and see you next time. Bye!